Here we go. Need some dumbbells. Let's try that. Yeah, that's gonna hurt like hell. We're gonna try that. Fuck. We'll see what it hurting for. No, I'm flipping around. All right, so that was 10, and I was not proud of that set at all. Yeah, I wasn't proud of that set at all. That shit sucks. That shit sucks. Y'all see that? That lane pushing Tiffany. I'm doing. Oh, good 10. Talking shit, but you might see that again. All right, give me a shot. Going work all the like 7 sets. 7 sets at the end anyway. But I'm gonna try to crank out 20 and then another 20. All right, so shit, that's it. Was 10 too. Trying to make it to 100, y'all. Just trying to make it to 100. Just trying to make it to 100. Y'all please hit that thumbs up for me. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Gonna grab my water thing.
Right out, Baker history. Only on the history. Refreshing best at Massey Robbins. CCA. Only on the history. My dicks up, right in the hands like I never tried to shine on my friends. Hit the streets and grind for my kids. Everybody tell the lies in the grill.